Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is the last topic that is related to Portland cement chemistry. So in this video we will talk about the chemical products that react with cement slurry and contribute to the improvement of cement stability, homogeneity, controlling setting time, rheology, and enhance the final set cement matrix mechanical properties. Let's start with the first product, air entrained agent. Chemical materials added in smaller quantity to clinker composition at the time of manufacturing in order to distribute and separate bubbles. So what is the purpose of using or adding this product to cement? Air entrained agent facilitate the development of air bubbles within cement system during mixing. As a result of that, it will improve the workability and increase freeze thawing durability of the concrete. Anti-foam. Normally air remains trapped in slurry in form of bubbles. So anti-foam materials spreads on aggregation bubbles surfaces to reduce their films and cause them to rupture. The application of this product used to prevent foam. Therefore, effective hydration will take place by getting the unhydrated grains of Portland cement components wet properly. Also, it will make us capable of reading the correct or the exact density, and also it will make the slurry more tolerant towards other chemicals in order to let them react. Accelerators. Chemical materials added in slurry in order to increase heat and accelerate hydration rate. The application of this product used to decrease cement setting time. So it will make the process of hydration take place rapidly. The product of retarders. Chemical materials added in slurry in order to decrease hydration rate by hindering grains of cement and fluids from getting into contact. Application of retarders used to delay cement setting period to get enough time to complete cement placement operation before cement system commence with strength development. Once we need to prolong the hydration process, we need to add retarder products. Super plasticizers, or we call it in the oil and field industries dispersant. Material chemicals used within slurry to improve slurry mixing stability and flow by breaking the aggregations of hydrate products, silicate, calcium silicate hydrate and Portlandate. Also break dry powders of dry Portland cement grains aggregation to let them get into contact with water and resume hydration. Application of this material used to overcome gelation and to determine mixing energy and flow regime by controlling yield point, plastic viscosity, water content. Also, it contributes to mechanical properties improvement of the final set cement. Now we will discuss anti-settling, fluid loss, control, anti-gelling, and surfactant. These chemicals added to cement slurry to control free fluids, settling, sedimentation, slurry instability that is encountered due to more solids content in the slurry or higher density slurry and the exposure to high pressure or high temperature. The function of this product used to improve slurry stability during mixing and reduce settling, fluid loss, and sedimentation during placement. This will have positive effect on final set cement mechanical properties such as strength, low permeability, low porosity, and good durability. Extenders. Products added to cement slurry that allows more water ratio addition. The extender, it absorbs the extra water content to avoid free water or fluid loss. Bentonite as an example, or materials that increase yield of cement slurry due to their high surface area and more fineness that control water to cement ratio. Pozzolan as an example. Application of using extender. They use extender in order to get high yield and low density slurry. Weighting. Chemical materials added to cement to increase the weight. Their excellent particle size distribution with higher specific gravity help with increasing weight of slurry with less water content, and the finer particle will seal the voids of set cement matrix that pose durability problems. Barite and hematite are an examples of weighting agent. The application of weighting used to lessen water to cement ratio and increase slurry weight without compromising workability and durability properties. The final products that used with the cement slurry in order to contribute to mixing, placement, properties, and short, long-term final cement matrix mechanical physical properties. Pozzolans are fine and low specific gravity materials, contain higher silica and alumina, and they can be found naturally or artificially. They react chemically and form hydrate products similar to Portland cement. However, they do not possess hydraulic properties if used individually. Pozzolans examples: fly ashes, blast furnace slag, and silica fumes. Pozzolans reactions when used in combination with Portland cement. As we studied in hydration process that many workabilities and durabilities problem caused by Portlandate, the product of Portland cement hydration. Here, when pozzolan blended with cement, it will reduce Portlandate content, and the pozzolan components, the major components of pozzolan, silica and alumina, will react with Portlandate and form additional calcium silicate hydrate products that is responsible of set cement dimensional stability and durability. Pozzolans has high surface area or very fine products, so it will increase the yield of slurry and allow more water to be added to the system with excellent settling and fluid loss control. So this will contribute to final set cement mechanical properties. Portland cement blend with pozzolans has low Portlandate and low lime to silicate ratio. These properties make set cement matrix more resistant to high pressure strength retrogression phenomena and chloride ions, sulfate ions, and carbon dioxide attacks. So let's explain the phenomena of strength retrogression. When cement, Portland cement only, exposed to high temperature, the hydrate products of Portland cement, CSH and CH, will combine and form alpha dicalcium silicate hydrate, which will lead to cause shrinkage, increase permeability and porosity, and decrease strength of the set cement as a result of increasing in calcium or lime to silicate ratio. So, when pozzolan blended with Portland cement, the ratio of Portlandate will be decreased, and the major components of pozzolan, silica and alumina, will react with the remaining hydrated Portlandate, and that will form additional compressive strength. As we studied, the responsibility or the function of CSH to make the set cement more stable and durable. Silica and alumina also will form a phase that is called turbamide. The turbamide will decrease lime to silicate ratio to the minimum value. That will allow set cement matrix to gain the required integrity, higher compressive strength, and will lower the permeability and porosity. Application of pozzolans along with Portland cement, it will increase the compressive strength, decrease porosity and permeability. The previous videos of the anomalies of Portland cement shrinkage, so pozzolan will take part in solving or in overcoming the shrinkage phenomena. It can be used also as extender with excellent mechanical and physical properties because pozzolans are fine and their weight is very low, their specific gravity very low. It is used, as we explained earlier, to prevent strength retrogression phenomenon and also to prevent harmful chemical ions attacks that cause expansion, as we studied in the